Good morning. Hey, everybody. Whoa, I am dark. Hold on. Okay, that's better. So, got a couple things that I'm thinking today. I'm also thinking Blender plugin. Right. Have an export rig next to control rig. Basically, what I want to do is I want animations for City to be better, easier. And I'm thinking that it's going to be a pain, but a necessary pain to make things look better. If that makes sense. Boom, boom. Defer. Open recent. Get rid of camera. Get rid of moon. And need to figure out. So this is one of the things I don't understand. Bake animations. Bake animation blender. Let's see. This is a short little video. Let's watch.
So what is that the solution of you must need to bake your animation first. So I am going to bake this animation. You can see in here the timeline is only 2 keyframes. So how to bake animations? First I am going to select the animated object. The text is not animated. I am applying a particle, so select turbulence and then go to object animation and then click on bake animation. So make sure the frames are correctly, so then click on OK.
Okay, no, I'm sorry, I can't.
Now that your build is complete and your animation is working, we're going to go ahead and bake the animation. Think of it like putting raw cookie dough in an oven and then coming out as a fully baked cookie. We want to bake the animation so that way it's working flawlessly and there's no glitches or anything like that. There's a couple ways in which you can bake an animation, but I'm going to just show you. First thing you want to do is select everything you want animated into keyframe. So you're going to hit B on your keyboard and you're going to left hand click and drag your mouse and select the cubes, the platform, hit B again, select the chain and the ball. Then you're going to come up to object, you're going to go down to rigid body and come down here to bake keyframes. Here we have the start frame and the end frame, and you can change this to 100 if you wanted to, wherever you want your animation to stop. For this, we're going to stick with 250. We're going to hit OK. And this is going to take probably about a minute to 2 minutes to bake. Now the bake is done, we can see all of our individual keyframes. We can go ahead and deselect everything if we want. If you click on one object, you can see all the keyframes. You can see all the keyframes here.
Okay, so better question. Is baking animation necessary? So here's the problem. Looking at my animation, close that one down. Let's excuse me. Hey, Buttermilk, how's it going? Whoa. What you doing down there? I just feel like I need to completely redo animations and topology and all that stuff. I don't like the idea of redoing all the animations and stuff, but I think I should. Because I want him to look better. And it's tough. But let's see, there's supposed to be something. All right, this is a quick video. Quick video. Let's see.
The other day I got pretty frustrated trying to import an animated 3D character from Blender into Godot. This is the video that I would have liked to see to save me some time. So I've made this very simple 3D character in Blender, and I've modeled him, textured him, rigged him, and I've made two animations. I've made an idle animation, last 40 frames, it's just a loop of him breathing in and out. And then another animation, that's a run animation, and it's just...
Is my mouse that loud?
So to get started, what we have to do is for each of the animations that we want to export, we have to go into them and action editor and click on the shield icon. There we go. Now the next step, we have to go here into animation and non-linear animation, and for each of the actions we have to push them down into an NLA track, rename them, name this one run, and then idle, rename it to idle. Be sure that these checkboxes are checked.
I know, but I'm just wondering if I'm clicking.
Select the body, the mesh, and the armature. Go to File, Export, Export as GLB. And there are a series of options that we have to be sure to check. Include, we have to limit to selected object. Inside transform, I check Y up. Side geometry, apply modifiers if there are modifiers to apply, like the mirror one. And inside animation, we have to go inside animation and be sure to check these two checkboxes: group by NLA track and export deformation bones only. So now we can export the file.
I think that's something that I didn't do.
Open Godot. Now inside Godot, I've created a blank project, and we can grab the little character we made in the GLB format, drag it inside, and here he is. Click on New Inherited, and the materials don't appear as we saw them in Blender, so we'll have to modify that later. But what we wanted to see is that now here we have the two animations. We have the idle animation, have to set them to loop, it's just breathing in and out, and then we have the run animation, set it to loop, and there we go. So this is actually the fastest way I found to.
Okay. So here's what we're going to do, because I want to have the backup. We're going to save a copy. Then we're going to put this one in game assets. Then we're going to open recent. Nope. Just going to open the game assets version. There. Hold on, I'm just updating things here. God, this is depressing every time I do it. All right. So camera, delete, sphere, delete. Plane, where's the plane? There's the plane. Atagon Dev, welcome in. Okay, and where does the shovel fit into all this? It's a child of the bear. What modifier do I have? Oh, I think I've got it locked into a bone that is no longer being. I'm going to keep it there for now, but we are going to pull this out to that. So it's no longer going to be a child of the bear. All right. So some of the pain points that I'm running into are right there in the hand. So I'm trying to figure out is it going to behoove us to retop the bear? What is this tribe add-on? I think it's one that I added on after watching a video. I can rig. All right, well, let's try it. What just happened? Text mesh. Access through the Blender UI. Rig character. Click on the rig character panel. Select a valid mesh object. Click on the rig skin. Okay, so then what the hell? Rig skin. Let's see what?
Insert rating streamers
Oh,
named you.
hiya!
Thank you for the raid. How did insert last activity here go? Now, let's rock.
Welcome in, welcome in. How was your stream? How was everything? I didn't even realize you were streaming. Hold on, let me brighten up a little bit in here. Dual Wielded Live, thank you for the follow. If you got anything to share, please, by all means, share and share away. Floor is yours. Raiders coming in for those of you. Ooh, sheep maybe. Thank you for the follow. Biggs, good to see you. Oh, okay. Yeah, D's what? Please share D's what? Oh, you got me. You got me. Oh, rip. So welcome in, Raiders. I'm JD. I'm a web developer, Drupal, PHP, JavaScript. Currently unemployed, looking for a job. And while I'm unemployed and looking for a job, I'm learning game development. I'm currently working on a game about a scary bear named Sooty, legally distinct from any other bear that you may have heard of. And you play the part of a camper who has wandered a little bit too far into the woods. Let's take a look at it. Biggs, no, not my nickname, it's my burlesque name. Let's get it right here. So Raiders, feel free to drop a follow. If you like what you see, I do this 7 days a week, except for this week, Saturday. I'm probably going to be late to the game, because I am playing saxophone in a parade. So, you play the part of a bear. I've got, right now, we're starting in a different location because I was testing out the flashlight and the cabin, because I wanted a nice creepy cabin with a flickering light. Not yet, Pigorli. Not yet. I'm waiting patiently. Still Nanook's revenge. Damn it. So, okay, everybody, we cancel the flash mob. Oh, gone the wrong way. So in the game, you have very limited resources to work with. You've got a flashlight, you've got a compass, you've got your wits about you, hopefully. And instead of a traditional map, you've got some nice little national park bulletin boards. That tell you, just like it says here, you are here. So you need to find your way to the ranger station, which is where we just were, and then find your way out, which is going to be hiding in a bathroom or something similar. Now, to distract the bear, to see your way around a little bit better, you have to light some fires, because your flashlight has limited battery. So you light the fire, and then I'm going to show you our good friend here. I also just recently added in the beginnings of some defensive measures. So if... oh, battery's too low. If the bear sneaks up behind you, or if you see him, we're going to make it so that you can blind him at the cost of your entire battery. But only if you have 50% or more of the battery. So let's give the bear a chance to scare us. In-game. In-game. Parody. Satire. Boom! I think I see him. I think I may make the fire... nah, not too much bigger, but... where the hell is he? Did he start on the other side of the map this time? I think I saw some spooky eyes over there. He's gonna come up right behind me, isn't he? Here, I'm gonna give him a chance to run or turn around from me. There we go. Put out the fire. And then if he catches you, well, it's over. So if you like that, coming soon, TM. I am currently waiting on Steam to approve my Steam page. Yeah, that's the words. So welcome in. I'm glad you're all here. Thank you so much for the follows already. Let's do this. So right now, I'm not liking some of the way that the topology is. I'm trying to figure out. So I've got the body here. Trying to figure out what the change is with Tribe. Dual wielded. I appreciate that. Thank you. In the meantime, if anybody wants to support me financially, because I am unemployed, have no source of income at this point, if you want to support the game, get your name in the credits, maybe get yourself in the game somewhere, I do have a Kofi available. And I think that's all the snake oil sales that I'm going to be doing. So I'm trying out this plugin here. And it's supposed to rig. But I don't know if it's actually rigging like the way I'm expecting it to. If I take that away, what happens? I'm not seeing anything. So if anybody knows about the Tribe Blender add-on, it says allows you to quickly rig. What exactly is it? Select the source and target mesh objects. Select the main rig. I don't. Whoa. Got some connections happening in chat.
Did you just rip your dick off and throw it at me?
But this. Mm, so is this what just got created? I don't understand. And if anybody's ever used this plugin, let me know, please, because I'm not quite understanding it. But no, that's not what I want here either. So I am still relatively new to all of the Blender and Godot and stuff. Ooh, thank you for the big brain. Well, where does teeth go? Okay, his mouth is just closed. Pogtato Dev over on YouTube, welcome in, or hello. Right, I'm gonna undo a couple things here. Well, all the things really. Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna save another copy here. And I'm gonna open up that copy. Just because I'm afraid of accidentally breaking something and not being able to recover. Now, why do I have the solidify modifier on here? Yeah. Gonna get rid of those. Potato Dev, respect people that actually can use Blender. I can barely use Blender. I'm still learning all the things. See? What I would recommend is keep an eye on Humble Bundle, because they frequently have uh my computer blows up as soon as I try to open it. Yeah, that could be a problem. Also, why you use Godot? Did that work? Did that work? Did we get your quote? Yes, it worked. It's saved. Jake Blade, welcome in. How we doing today? All right, I'm gonna... Do we have this now? U3D header. Okay, it did pop in. All right. Gonna pull in the documentation here. Okay, general. So over on YouTube, statement, don't even know how to export something with Blender, even less how to import textures and stuff. So the nice thing about Blender plus Godot is they do work together pretty well. If you go into editor settings, put in your Blender path, then you can actually just import blend files, which is what I usually do. There is the issue with materials and different types of shaders, so there's often a lot of changes that you have to make to materials. Normally, I just export the shape itself and do all the materials on the Godot side. I don't know if that's the best way to do it, but it is definitely a way to do it. Okay, let's see how this Ritupo flow. It's like Orinoco flow. Well, hello. Look at this sexy bear. Okay, things are gonna break. Oh, maybe not. Ah, fuck is that? Okay, this feels like it's really, really struggling. Insert edge strips and extrude edges onto a patch. Okay. Let's look at the docs here. Oh, wait, there's docs here. Some random guy. No, actually, I think we're pretty close to the same age. Okay, general. Why is this running so damn slow? Okay, so maybe we should find... Um... That might be better. Okay, select linked. Control L. Oh, L. What the L? But this feels like it's burning. Something is eating up all the everything on my computer. Okay, image editor. What else? Let's delete that last autosave. Okay. Let's see if this goes any faster. Quicker, maybe. Potato Dev, I don't know how to help with your computer burning. Because mine seems to also be burning as well. At least it's moving. Oh, what the hell? Dude man, welcome in, dude man. How you doing, dude man? Why is Bear tiny? Okay, maybe Bear wasn't tiny, maybe Shovel was huge. Okay, so let's try this again. Does anybody know about retopologizing? Because I am running into some problems. I think, especially the mouth. I think that mouth is way too many teeth in that mouth. Look at that. I hadn't even considered. Well, welcome in, Dude Man and Pogtato Dev over on YouTube. I'm really glad that you're both here. I'm glad to see that I'm getting some use out of the YouTube. That's a big thing. Let's see if I can get the linked tooth, the gums here. All right, so here. Doesn't seem like it's doing a damn thing. So how am I supposed to do this? Target cleaning. Smorge is gonna bunga. Right on. I'm not sure what that is, but go for it. Over on YouTube. YouTube chat is popping today. Jake Blade. Thank you again for the tofu yesterday. This thing is just not. I don't think this is working at all. I don't know. It was delicious. Thank you. Okay, so now that I have this, I have a poly strip. Potato Dev over on YouTube is asking, what kind of game am I making? I will show you in just a moment here. Gotta go. Okay, well, I appreciate you hanging out. Don't forget to drop a sub over there. Help me get to that magic number. But I just changed it to 10, you son of a bitch. Okay, got 5 minutes. All right, let's get out of this. I'm really gonna have to clean that up. That's too many. That's too many teeth. All right, so the game I'm making is a horror game based on you playing the part of a camper who's gone too far into the woods. And so your goal is to survive and find your way back to the park entrance. So you have very limited resources. You've got your compass, you've got your flashlight, you've got various fire pits around the campgrounds. Your flashlight is rechargeable, but you have to wait for it to recharge, which is basically you cranking away at it until it charges back up. Let's see where. Nope. And if you see the light over there, that is the way that you can tell your way around the camping area. So right now we see you are here. That's exactly where we're standing. And to the southwest of us is another campsite, and directly to the east of us is a campsite. So we can go there to get our bearings. Hopefully not run into anything on the way there. Alright, campsite. Start up a fire. Let the flashlight recharge. I'm also working on a defensive mechanic where if you're about to get attacked, you can brighten your flashlight, but it drains it all the way. Jolt, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Hope you're having a good day. I appreciate you being here. We're just gonna wait a minute here. Let me get everything pulled back up, because I don't know exactly where our friend is. Oh, there he is. Hold on. So, the bear. Joel, awesome. So that's our buddy the bear. He doesn't like fires. He also doesn't like us. So the defense thing is going to be, you brighten the light, and it's supposed to stun him for a couple seconds. Like this, boom, and he's supposed to give you a couple seconds to run away, but I don't have that all the way yet. And then you die, if he gets you. So those are the basic mechanics. I did take inspiration from FNAF, also from Baldi's Basics, also from Slenderman, but it is definitely a different game. It's definitely not the same bear. But right now I'm trying to figure out, these teeth are too busy. It's called Sooty's Revenge. The Steam page is coming soon. Hopefully. All right, Potato Dev, take care. Good seeing you. Thank you for hanging out. Uh-oh. Wait, what? How does a shovel get so damn big? There, let's do that. Let's do that. Oh, it looks like ads are starting up. I'm going to take a quick 3-minute break. If you want to avoid ads, if you just want to hang out, don't hesitate to sub. I'd really appreciate it. If you haven't followed yet, please hit that follow. I'll be back in 3 minutes. All right, we're back. And Potato Dev, thank you for the follow over here on Twitch. Glad to see you. All right, so we're gonna see plain mesh. What the hell is it? Okay, fine. Add mesh plane. Mirror mod, subdivide, shrink wrap. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get everything on this side. And what I'm trying to do now is I've got way too many verts on these teeth. I think we can do better. I think we could save some space. Gonna generate mirror. Then what was the other thing? Subdivide and shrink wrap. Wait, no. Okay, I did that wrong. I did that wrong. The vertices here. Generate mirror. Shrink wrap. Okay, that's not quite grabbing on the way that I hoped it would. All right, Potato Dev, take care. Thank you for hanging out. Now let's see if can I rotate this so it goes like that? And like that. Then move it. That's still not quite getting what we're looking for. What if we, okay. Not gums. What do you mean vertex group not found? That's not right. Wait, can I do that in here? Ah, actually, that's not horrible. I think that we could. Nope, that's bad. All right, let's take this all the way back. I don't know how we can do this because this These teeth are way too much. Wait, am I supposed to have a different... a different mesh for it? Okay, so quick start. I switch to object, switch on. Okay. I've been doing it completely wrong. Yes. Enter, quit. Delete. Cursor will create a new target mesh located. Get rid of both of these. I am so very confused. Um, Scarcely less active. Object mode. Well, where the hell is that thing? Okay, it's supposed to have created a new one here. But it's not. Why not? Why is this not working? Select. Because looking at the documentation here, I'm not getting this because I'm doing exactly what it says. Switch to object mode. Click on the ReptoFlow menu. Cursor will create a new target mesh. Oh, this might fix it. Maybe. I doubt it, but it might. Let's check it out. No, you're supposed to be the damn target. Okay, let's see. Let's try again. I thought that I had this working at one point. Okay, so that's letting me do something there. That's reading it. Why not that? And why not that? Okay. Okay, I think I got that. Okay, let's back this shit up here. Now, if we have this, now how the hell am I supposed to extrude? Oh, okay. No, that one's going to be tough, but okay, we figured it out. We figured it. Okay. All right. I think we can do this. I think we can do this. Contours, poly strips. All right, strokes. Okay, I think we can go down there. All right. Damn it. These teeth need to be simplified. I'm gonna clear out everything that I've done so far. Because why not? Wait, let's see. Can I go X? No, no, this. Oh no. What the fuck? Oh man. I'm not gonna lie. No idea what I'm doing here, and this does not seem to be working. Maybe I should just keep it simple. Object mode. Right click on there. Actually, with this one, I'm not seeing a whole lot of difference, which is good. Until we get down to here. Oh, I actually like that better. Okay. bringing that back. Great. Now here's where it might get weird. Let's take this. Put it back in the mouth. There we go. Gonna leave it disconnected though. Right now. I want to see, can we get something out of the asset? Let's see, we need to. Oh no. All right, well this is going to get strange, but let's, will it help if I enlarge in? All right, now I just need to do like this 1,000 more times, right? I should have done this to begin with. I mean, I kind of did at the beginning, but this is not It's gonna take forever. Hello. How we doing today? Not too bad. Just doing some retopologizing, or at least attempting to. Where'd the other piece go? Well, thank you for the follow. Glad you're here. Oh shit. Let's see what do we got going on here? All right, so that didn't work the way that I was hoping it would. So instead, get rid of him. Get wider. All right, so maybe maybe that's not going to be the best one. I'm having a hard time figuring out because I want it needs to be retopoed. Because animations are not great. While I am right now, I'm trying to take my model here of the bear and simplify it down to fewer vertices. Big issue that I have that we already kind of took care of was right in here. The teeth were extremely high poly. Now they are and that's what they were originally. I took it down to that, which took it from, let's see, 6%, from 6,000 down to about 10% of that, and it still looks like teeth. Which is kind of the goal, because we can, once we have it looking the way that it should look, then I'm primarily a developer. I do programming more than I do, which is why I'm having such a hard time with the modeling, is I'm trying to figure out, I am learning as I go. I think that we're just gonna go back to our original one. Don't save. And right here is part of the problem. And you see that hand? The way it's bent all like that? I'm trying to fix it so that that's not the issue. But look at, so I'm actually making the game over in Godot. And I've been working on the map. I've been working on some gameplay thing, but I want the bear. Kinda. You want to see a demo of it? A quick little once over? Hold on. No, I'm also looking for a job, like desperately seeking a job. So if I look off into the distance every once in a while, it's because I'm checking email. And just seeing if I have any messages or LinkedIn postings or anything that I should be applying to. All right, sure. So I'll show you real quick. Turn off the light. And here we go. Well, it's loading up. Uh-oh. Nope, I am a professional developer. I do web development. Lost my job. So I'm trying to make the most of it. I mean, I guess, you know, for now, I'm a professional content creator, although none of my stuff is either professional nor viewed. So you use the fires to kind of help you find your way around. Flashlight loses battery, so it can get difficult to see, which is kind of the point. And then we have these bulletin boards around that give you a bit of a mini map, not too much help, and then you kind of have the fires as your reference point after you light them. Unfortunately, our bear, our bear friend, Science, welcome in. Not quite sure where he's coming from, but I'll take a quick drink. What's the worst that can happen with a bear and a shovel? Hey, Balant. I shrunk myself down because I've got the new mechanics. Oh, there he is. The new flashlight battery and stuff. And then eventually you'll be able to stun him by blinding him. It's a rechargeable flashlight. You've never seen? There are a couple different types, the hand crank and the shaker. Hold on. I honestly cannot read chat with your name, so I need to set a nickname. Hey, Nerd Waffle, how's it going? Stressed a little bit too, but you know, trying to make the best of it. Let's see. So this is one type of crank flashlight. Where to recharge it, you know, this is what a survivalist would have in their backpack. And if you're an expert camper, you're not going to rely on batteries that could die. You're going to have a flashlight that you can hand crank. Here, I'll make myself visible again. But that's why the battery can recharge, because you can hand crank it. No, it's just... You're not going to have to press anything to recharge it. You'll just have to turn it off, and we'll assume that as you're walking, you get cranking. Or we could say that it's this kind of flashlight. There it is.
What's up guys, today I'm going to show you an amazing flashlight that doesn't need any batteries ever. This flashlight, all you have to do is shake it for 10 minutes and then you have 4 hours of light. There's the audio magnet, there's a bunch of copper wire.
It could be that kind of
around.
flashlight.
So by shaking back and forth that audio magnet, it generates electricity. Somewhere around here, I think it stores all the electricity. I think it's easier to recharge this flashlight because it's just bigger magnet and way more inside of it. But this flashlight, you see way more copper. So I think it's easier to recharge.
We could have the player just doing that, running all over the place.
It's just bigger magnet and way more copper wire. Let's see which one is more powerful. This is like a workout. Okay, let's put them to the test.
See? Rechargeable flashlights that don't require batteries. Yep. So although I think that, you know, if our bear were, or if our camper were running around the campground just doing this.
More copper wire. Let's see which one is more powerful. This is like a workout.
Just doing that.
Okay, let's put
I think
them to
that
the test.
the bear wouldn't come near him. I think. It's an assumption. But okay, as we're starting up, I'm going to take a quick break. Be back, and then I don't know how much longer I'm going to be able to go because I've got a concert tonight that I need to get ready for. What the fuck is this? Yeah, I'll be back. Okay, back. So if you point the light at the bear, it sends it. Not quite. You have to use the bright mode, which drains your battery immediately. And you can only use it if you have 50% or more battery. Is or Blender. All right, Nerd Waffle, thanks for stopping in. Topo empty. All right, let's get rid of. Nope, 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 nope. Wrong one. Wrong one. Retapo empty. I think I already have this one. All right, let's see. See if this is a. Sure. Or can I import a script like there? Nope. Import. Well, what the hell? Doesn't say how to install. Oh, that's old. Did it run? Did something happen here? And I don't think it did anything. It says Control Shift Alt X. Um, select vertex. This is not doing a damn thing. Okay, object. No, nah. No, I guess I'll come back to that later. I don't freaking know. All right, I'm Hmm. Okay, yeah, close that down. I don't think that I'm gonna really accomplish much today. Friends, folks, I'm having a hard time. If it wasn't obvious, I am having a really hard time focusing. Uh, it's odd. So I think that I'm better off instead of just sitting around saying nothing and trying to figure out what the hell I'm doing. I might be better off just pulling out for the day. So what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing here? I am just confused. Let's just say confused. So I'm gonna raid out. I'm gonna say goodbye on YouTube. All the things. Follow, sub, blah blah blah.